Once upon a time, there was a girl in a small village named Eliza. She lived with her grandma in a small farm. One day, Eliza asked her grandma, "Where are my parents?" Her grandma hesitated to tell her, and before she could tell Eliza, she collapsed on the floor with her hand on her chest. Eliza quickly called an ambulance and they took Lisa's grandma to the nearest hospital they could find. Unfortunately, the doctor told Eliza after her grandma's surgery, "Young lady, we tried our best to save your grandma, but she could not make it." After listening to the doctor's words, Eliza burst into tears and said, "I hate no one in this world except my grandma. How will I live alone?" The doctor told Eliza that the child service center will take her to a shelter for food and care. Eliza did not look happy because she wanted to spend her time with her grandma. But she did not have a choice and went with child service team. Once she registered her name into the shelter and went inside, she saw few girls of her age. She went up to them and said, "Hello, my name is Eliza. I am new to this shelter. Can we be friends?" The girl looked at her and laughed at her. "You poor beggar, go back from where you came, for we do not have a place here for farm animals like you." Eliza looked at her in disgust and said, "I think your mom made the best choice to leave you here to learn some manners." The girl went quiet to Eliza. "Come back," and everyone burst into laughing. They all said to her, "You did the best thing." Turns out that girl's name was Eva. She bullied everyone and thought that everyone will be wrapped around her finger. Then Eliza went to sleep. Next day, Eliza found a girl of her age looking at her. Eliza screamed, "Ah, who are you, creep?" The girl said, "I am Nora. The coach told me to wake you up for training, so get up before it's late." Eliza said, "You should have told me earlier." Then, after a few months, Nora and Eliza became best friends and got adopted by a rich looking couple. They both were over the moon and happy. Then, after a few years, Eliza and Nora graduated and went to their separate ways, but they still kept in touch. One day, Eliza got a job in a boutique. and work hard day and night that she got a higher position and opened her own boutique. She said to herself, I had no one in this world but by my friends and family's support. I did not give up and opened my own boutique. Thanks to be here with me. Please subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this. Thank you.